Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I decided to make food for dolls that can be eaten outside. In my previous videos we already made kitchen accessories and a yard for the Barbie house. And today we will also make food that can be cooked so that the dolls can rest outside. To do this, print out the template. You'll find it in the description of this video and you can download it for free from our website. To laminate the parts, I will use only transparent tape. Cut off a hot dog and a small piece of tape. Then glue it to the tape on both sides. And cut it out. For the potatoes, laminate the stripes on one side only. Let's assemble our food. You can assemble it as you like and add the ingredients you want. Put the pizza on a cutting board so that the dolls can choose the flavor they like. For the chicken legs, glue the envelope with tape. Do the same for the potatoes. Take our stripes and glue them in half, then cut them into small stripes. Add drinks and our table is ready. This set can be used with other sets in our collection, mainly in templates where the dolls will be outdoors. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy and happiness, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!